Welcome to the HSS Hire guide for our range of steel acro props. These steel props are telescopic for quick and easy height adjustment and come in various sizes. They offer exceptional support and strength for formwork as well as floors, walls and ceilings. Safety is important to us. We recommend using hand and head protection when using the props. Start by extending the inner tube of the prop to just below the desired height and insert the pin to the nearest hole. Turn the screw collar to precisely adjust the height of the prop so that it is firmly in place and securely supporting the load. This equipment is heavy. Please make sure to always keep your feet apart, bend your knees, keep your back straight and lift with your legs. And that's it. Please check out our other products and videos. If you need any help, our support team are ready to chat to you. Just click the Chat to Us Now button in the bottom right hand corner of the HSS Hire website. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for all the latest products, news and guides. Have a good day.